Just kidding. The vent?
Oh, we're gonna drive.
Got what we need. Let's go. Radio check, please.
And then the atmosphere is above the Earth, right?
What the hell's wrong
the
with
Earth
you?
rotates and the storms stay in the same spot, but the Earth moves and the storm.
Are you a flat earther too?
Dude, the eclipse was a hoax, man. You know what I'm saying? It was a hoax. They got everybody out. I hope you were wearing your tinfoil hat at the time, man. The
No,
Earth is
I was
flat.
staring at it without my glasses on because I didn't have any.
They wanted you to look so the government can take money from your pockets as you're looking at the eclipse, man. Trust me, the Earth is flat. Take turn 4 flat, okay? The Earth is flat.
Turn 4 is not flat.
The Earth is, though. So you can take it flat. Just remember that when you're in turn 4, take it flat because the Earth is flat. And the eclipse is a hoax.
Both races obviously start when you see the green flag. We are going to go green flag all around, so if you're at turn 8 or 9 and you see the green drop, just start racing. If you see any behavior on track that you feel is unsafe, get on the radio to your crew and have them come talk to the pit marshal. We will get it up to the tower and we will keep an eye on that car and deal with it. Alright, everybody put your hands on your heart, repeat after me. I will not drive like an asshole. Let's go racing.
So come Saturday morning, the team chooses me to go first, and my thoughts are, you know, we just tested the fueling system. We had the one-way valve just put in. I didn't get much seat time in the car at GP because Jason and I had to rush back to Markham to get that valve. And so really I only had about 20 minutes in the car and was sort of rushed. But you know, having my teammates there with me, having Leo showing me footage of him driving the car, and just talking together as a team, and really being supportive of one another, I felt confident that I could perform and put my teammates in a good position for the rest of the day. Time attack and sim racing is helpful. Nothing really prepares you for what happens at a race start when cars are wheel to wheel. We tried our best to grid first, but we had a few things that we needed to do. We needed to warm up the transmission, we had to fill up the car, a few other things that we need to make sure that we're spot on. So we actually gridded 12th out of everybody, and there were some GT1, GT2, GT3 cars in front of us. And so at the start of the race, there was a lot of battling to do to get to the front of the pack. And with some concerns about fueling, I didn't want to use too much fuel to pass other cars, and so I was just trying to find the most opportune times to conserve fuel, number one. Number two, make passes very cleanly. And number three, try to catch up to the leaders as soon as possible. that I remember most was just trying to conserve fuel as much as I can, keeping an eye on the fuel gauges, keeping my teammates updated on what's going on in the car so that we can prepare. Let's say I do an hour and 45 minutes, they need to be prepared and ready in the pits for me to come in. And so just constantly giving them updates, how the car feels, and again, trying to conserve fuel to finish the 2 hours. You got it?
Yep.
Don't use too much gas passing people. That was my problem.
The what?
I used too much gas passing people. I kept fuel cutting.
Yeah. On the straight?
Yeah.
Saturday's race, my stint was the second stint of the day, and because we knew the rain was coming, it actually ended up being the transition stint. The thing about racing in the rain, as I've come to experience it, is you have grip, you have grip, you have grip, you have grip, and then suddenly you don't have grip. Even for the first couple of minutes of rain, it actually feels like it's not so different from racing in the dry. But once the track is soaked and there's spray coming from the cars in front of you, that's when you need to learn to adjust. And it took me a while to actually figure out the wet lines. You know, with motorsport, there are some good visual indicators. The repaved parts, the black stuff, is the racing line in the dry, and once it gets wet, that tends to be the most slippery. And in fact, in some of the braking zones, you actually want to lift off the brake as the car is crossing over these black pieces of tarmac because of how little grip there is. The way to learn the wet line, really first, there's a little bit of humility that's required in knowing that it's going to be hard for me to figure that out during my stint. And so what I ended up actually doing is just following a more experienced driver. And so the Higgy Motorsports Civic was flying out there. And you know, we were kind of trading places or keeping tight with each other for a while. And at one point I just let him go. And because I knew he was keeping up and pressuring me, and I just followed his lines, and after 2 or 3 laps, got it down. So thank you for that, and just carried on for the rest of the stint, trying to stay calm, stay relaxed. I think the beauty of racing in the rain is you become very focused, very in the zone. You kind of let your subconscious take over and just do the driving. Let the active mind relax and sit back and just be a silent observer to the training and the intuition of the subconscious mind, just turning those laps over and over and over again. One of the issues during my stint as the rain was starting to fall was that I actually got black flagged coming to the pits. And you know, I'm sure it probably did happen. The issue that Marshall explained to me was passing under yellow.
You made a pass under yellow.
Oh, really?
Carried forward with the car with the gravel traps. I gotta hold you a minute, okay?
Okay, that's okay. I'm sorry. I apologize.
That's okay. You're the second guy, so obviously there's something going on down there with that flag guy, but
Okay.
I'm just gonna keep an extra eye.
Okay, how long are we stopped for?
It's only 1 minute.
Okay, thank you.
You know, these kind of things happen. I think even with experienced drivers, you may miss a flag, but the important thing is knowing what to do when that happens, right? And to recognize when you're getting black flag, to acknowledge the marshals when that happens, to come into the pit, to talk to the marshals at the end of the pit to understand.
Okay, kill switch, visor down.
Yep.
Close the door.
Park. Yes. I can't see. Can you see it?
Yeah. I see.
Okay.
Saturday is my first time ever to drive a race car in the rain. Not just a will-to-will race. Like this is the first time I drove in the rain. First lap, almost shit myself. I have no idea where the grip is. Okay, I know the terminology of a wet line, but like, where do I find it? The line between wet line and dry line is very hard to tell. Because sometimes you have to drive in the dry line for corner exit. But corner exit at GP is very, very difficult. It's very dangerous. If you lose control in the rain like that, you're on the wall. So it's a very scary moment for the first few laps. But once I catch up to like some fast drivers in the rain, I learn their line, and then finally I am in a state of okay, I'm relaxed now. I'm trying to find a faster line and trying to pass everyone.
Five minutes to go.
For me, I am a very stable person. Even though I know we did something that was like pretty incredible.
Yo, that was we won! We won! Big boss, we won!
I was pretty happy internally, and also like kind of relieved in a certain way.
Why a sense of relief?
Like all your efforts, like our teammates' efforts was not wasted, basically. And we did it. We did our first GT1 podium, and we are at first place. like all the hard work that we done like a couple weeks ago, couple months ago, it's all worth it.
Dude,
We
how
did
do you
it!
feel? We actually did it.
We did it!
We did it.
Yes.
How's the car, man? How's the car?
Huh?
How's
The car survived.
Car survived.
Car survived.
We got to do it again tomorrow.
Do it again tomorrow.
Do it again tomorrow.
Great work, team.
Yeah.
You guys are amazing.
Yeah, it
you
was
are
good.
crazy.
It was crazy.
You're crazy.
Amazing. So happy.
Yeah. It's the same car. Oh yeah. Lots of stones.
He jumped.
I know. I was like, oh, is he gonna shift into my side or?
Yeah, he jumped into the middle. I'm like, oh shit, I had to brake, and then I went inside, and I saw you go outside.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, good job, man.
Nice driving. Nice driving.
First place in GT1, 3.9, M-Tech. It's all good. We'll figure it out for tomorrow. Everybody have a great night, and we'll do it again tomorrow.
There we go.
Nice.
It's important that after the races that we come together as a team, we have a good time, you know, we have a meal together, we sort of debrief the day and to see how we can improve for the next day, because in just a few hours, we're going to be doing it all over again.
No way!
What?
Thank you.
Okay, that's what happened. It's okay, last time there's a girl golfing.
Yo, is that a little forecast of what's gonna happen tomorrow?
Okay, I'll be.
exactly like you. What? I gotta give you this. And this is a lucky dog. A lucky dog for William. Yesterday was the Queen game. So you let the cheese take you again.
Yeah.
You were wet people in there like, whoa. Let's wait for Leo. 1 second. Dude, that's sick. I remember battling this guy pretty quick.
Keep going, keep going.
Oh, that's sick. Oh, yo, three-wheeling. This is turn 8 probably, right?
Nice picture by Michael Tanner.
Oh, look at this. Like a sheep in like, I don't know, the forest? Not a sheep, but sorry, a wolf in the forest.
It's coming out of hiding.
Yeah. Oh yeah, these guys are cool. Oh, these guys were sending it. They were so
They were super fast yesterday.
Oh my, no, they're fast today too. Like in the dry, they're fast. I guess in the rain. Scalar car, sick, without the front splitter. Lumi. Oh, these guys, the boss. 944s. Ah, this guy too. Nice, sick.
Looking good. Looking good.
Awesome. Good weekend. Good weekend. Good weekend. Finito. Fin. P1. Let's redo it at Calabogie. We'll see everyone there. Yo, I wasn't recording. Really?